Hi, I'm Richard.
I'm Jackie.
And we're Early Retirement Wanderlust.
And we're in Scotland. We decided, since our house sale is going nowhere at the moment, that we would have a road trip. So we've booked a one-way ticket to the Outer Hebrides and we're not coming back until we get our house.
Wild camped last night at Loch, which is a rather strange name. It's a little bit windy down here, but it's just beautiful to wake up to this.
Yeah, we didn't arrive until midnight, so to wake up and have this view is just pretty stunning.
The lakeside this morning was just gorgeous as the sun rose, but it's just spoiling itself a little bit. We had a good run up last night in the dark, and then the cheeky bonus of stopping off at
the Kelpies,
which were beautiful and very blue.
Got some lovely photos of them. It was quite serene walking around them because it had been raining. We pretty much had the place to ourselves.
We're just reminding ourselves how lucky we are just to be able to get out here and get away. For so many years we waited weeks and weeks and weeks for school holidays, and then now we're just setting off on a whim, 24 hours and we're here.
Yeah, we decided on Friday morning that we may as well just go away for a while, and that's it.
Hi, so we're 24 hours later since we last spoke to you, and we're somewhere on Harris, but we're not going to say exactly where we are on Harris. We're going to leave that until the next video.
Since we last spoke to you, we set off from Loch and we travelled up towards the Skye Bridge. The first stop we made was at Castle Island, always good for lots of nice photography again.
And then we went over to Skye, and we had to make our way over all the way across Skye to the ferry, because it was the only ferry that was going to the Outer Hebrides on Sunday, and in our best wisdom we thought that was a good idea. So driving across Skye, I can't pronounce it.
I don't think I can either. The first stop we made was at Sligerton Bridge.
I'll do the next pronunciation, because it's an easy one. We went to Portree, which is a lovely little fishing village, and just stopped off there on our way through, but knew that we were under pressure to get to Uig for the ferry.
Yeah. It does good fish and chips in Portree as well.
It does. And then Uig, we had a delay because Calmac, bless them, are updating loads of harbours, and it was Sunday service anyway, so we had about a 2-hour delay at Uig waiting for the ferry.
We already knew that we were going to have a bit of a delay because we'd had a text earlier in the day, so we were prepared for that. But then they had to refuel the ferry as well, I think, because
yeah.
2 great big petrol tankers, we were an hour late again, and 2 great big petrol tankers drove past, but we got here. To Talbot till really quite late. We were supposed to get there originally at about 6:30, but it was nearly 8:30 before we got there.
But the best thing about that is then you just find a wild camping spot, and it's the surprise of where you're going to wake up the following morning.
And we should have guessed from the very deserted road that we had to travel up very, very narrow, one single track road. It was only about 2 miles out of Talbot, but it was beautiful when we woke up. There was a tiny little lock-in just below us, a very windy road that you could see travelling up through the mountains. Yeah, it's great.
So that was us. It got us onto the island. We're not going to say any more. Next video is about where we are now and how we got here.
And this is one of our favourite places in Harris, and coming back has made it even more so.
See you later.
Bye.